today we talk about how can you find calendar on your school planner app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your school planner app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on calendar here. When you just click here on calendar, then it's going to take you to this list here. And here you will find here calendar in this list. Can you select here days? So here you will find all events you have in this list here on your calendar. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.